If you are a trader who is still losing money trading the markets the wrong way, then this video is for you. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you are doing well and ready for today's video. Make sure to keep watching till then to not miss anything, any tip, any forecast, or any update. For this one, as usual, most of you know, I cover for you all the lists that you can see on that side of the screen. DXY, Euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, US30, and S&P 500. Straight away to the charts and to the point. For the dollar, I said to you last week, guys, even if market go to the upside, dollar will fall. And that's exactly what the market have done. If you remember this one, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, we posted this one on TradingView. If you want, all our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. So for this one, I said to you, this upwave, guys, will not last long. Alan, any proof for that? Of course, this was our last week video, this one here. As you can see, this was posted 6 days ago. And by the way, guys, thanks a lot for all of you are liking, commenting, and sharing on a weekly basis. So for this one, I said to you, even if this will go upside, and even if we break this one here, market will be falling. Why I have mentioned this? Because we know that most of the traders who trade actually the breakout, or like they go for the breakout traders here, they're actually letting them get in this trade to the upside, and after that they push market to the downside. It's not that simple, it's not that easy, but I'm trying to make it as simple as possible for you guys so you can get it the right way. We are doing actually the hard work behind the scene. We are doing all the analysis before we come here and show you our point of view. Again, this is not a financial advice, this is our point of view based on We Trade Waves wave analysis concept, which is a unique one. In case you want to check that, this is our official website, it's wetradewaves.com. Again, like I said, all our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. It's We Trade Waves here. And in case you want to join us, you can check here this one, or you can scroll down, check every single page of the website. And this is WTW Pro membership in case you want to join and get access to the community and all what we provide. Anyway, for the XY, for this one, market started to fall. And after this drop, what's next, Alan? For this one, guys, I don't think that the XY is ready to push to the upside. In all the cases, I'm still biased to the downside. Any sell setup we get, will go for it. Dollar will be falling regardless. Until or unless something happens fundamentally, Powell will mention anything, or the Fed will do any step to push dollar to the upside. For now, we don't have anything like that. The government is still closed, and again, most likely they will cut rates, if not in December, next year. So cutting rates will be the case, and of course they are printing money, they're ending the QT. So all of this, guys, will be affecting dollar to the downside. And other means, any sell setup we get for the dollar, we'll go for it. Let's put it in this way. Without you actually getting into the details, just get the direction, get the bias, and if you have a trading plan, you execute it. If you don't have one, I suggest you guys to join, learn how to trade correctly from us, and then after that, you can risk whatever you want to risk. So for this one, again, what's next, Alan, for the dollar? If we get a corrective structure, one more fall will be coming. So for the XY, guys, if market will give me a corrective structure next week, one more fall will be coming. And then any change of the structure can happen here in case of any other move. Of course, guys, if this will start to go up sharply to the upside and break the top, you should look, or I would say we will be looking for the sell setup. We'll look for any sell setup we get even above the top if this happens. This is not a hard chance, but just saying, if this happens, guys, and we break this top once more, we will be looking for the sell setups for the dollar. No buy setup for us, okay? And this is, again, it's not like no one have certainty. We are not saying like this 100% a move. This is high probability chance, which means we have a 70% chance that this will push downside to the downside if we get a corrective structure. Why I'm saying that, it's not like we are not confident. We are actually so confident with our concept. All our members are making money. I'll show you the proof shortly anyway, but just saying for you to not jump in, to not actually follow us blindly, and to not lose your account by over-risking, over-trading. Also, guys, I want all of you to follow We Trade Waves 4 golden rules. I'm posting this for you now weekly because I want you to follow that. Remember, number one thing as a trader is to protect your capital. That's what we are trying to do first. We are actually helping you to protect your capital before you start making money. That's essential, that's critical, that's common sense for every single trader who is serious about this one. If you want to gamble the next wave, just try your luck. Please don't, because you will end up losing your account and losing your money, okay? So follow We Trade Waves 4 golden rules. First of all, to not lose your capital, and if you want to jump to the next level, you join us. You try for 1 month. If you don't like, you can cancel anytime. But again, our members are making crazy money, guys, inside the group. This, by the way, the Discord community, you'll get access to this one as soon as Join WTW Pro. So you'll get access to the Discord community, you'll get access to a dashboard, masterclass, basic course, all the resources that we provide for our members. Only on one membership, one solution, you can call it all-in-one solution. It's WTW Pro membership. Okay, so for this one, you can read the features here if you'd like to, and you can join us. And by the way, I suggest you to go and check every single page on our website, see the success stories, guys, see what our members are achieving. And as always, and as every single week, I'm showing you the success stories live on a weekly basis. And like I said to you before joining anyone, let them show you what their members are doing. Okay, so I'm showing you this one. I think this since the past 4 to 5 months, if not more, every single week, the success stories. And as example, this one, this was November 4. Last week we showed you actually the Jason one. He passed the challenge. And now GM Seong, this one, look at this. He achieved 5R in one single trade, which means like if you risk 1%, you'll make 5 to 1. You want to learn this one? It's inside WTW Pro. Okay, all the way down again, Raghunatha, he was having actually sniper entry for dollar yen. It was very good one. And if I keep scrolling to the downside, you can see VJ as example, gold. He's trading gold a lot. Bilal as well, he passed a challenge. Well done, Bilal, you have done a great job as well. So in case you are following, you see like Bilal, he have his own account, and actually look at this one. He is withdrawing money, which is very good one, Bilal. Every single week, I will monitor this one because I want to make sure like you withdraw the profits, okay? So all the way down, Kunal as well, he was making very good, I would say, profits this week, and the results were amazing. Well done, Kunal. You have done a great job as well. All the way down, guys, if I keep scrolling, the success stories will never end. Raghunatha as well, this was actually dollar yen, and again, this was the upwave for this one for $. This $, was one of our trades of the week, by the way, to the upside. And again, in case you don't know, we cover on every Sunday all the charts, guys, step by step, majors, minors, commodities, indices, stocks. Any questions you have, it will be covered by every Sunday at 11 a.m. UK time. Okay, so for this one, again, you can check that. Regarding the time, you can check it on your dashboard. But again, it's a video recorded by Nigel. He was doing a great job. I'll not play the video, guys, because it might be long for you. But just saying, I'm showing the success stories, and for you to decide who to join, you have to see what their members are doing. Okay, so for the dollar, I think it's clear. I'm biased to the downside. Any sell setup, you can go for it. If you're already in the sell, move your stops and let the market unfold. All right. $, for this one, this was again a trade covered during the Sunday session last week by T to the upside, and I really hope most of you who trade this one made money. Yes, market went to the downside a bit more, but after that we've got this upwave, and I showed you the entry for Raghunatha. It was perfect one, sniper entry, and all the way up, market is going to the upside. What's next for this one, Alan? If we get a corrective structure, another push-up will be coming. This, we have more than one possibility, we have more than one option. All of them will be covered tomorrow during the Sunday session for WTW Pro members. In case you want to join, this is the website and the link in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. If you want to get access to the trades of the week, and of course the Discord community and all the charts that we are posting internally. But again, for you guys, for this one, any corrective structure we get, we'll go for the buy setup. Okay, I'm still expecting $1 to push to the upside before any next structure. Okay, make sure, guys, to follow weighted rates for golden rules. Pound dollar, exactly the same. Market went to the upside after breaking this low here. If you can see this one, this was a liquidity pool, liquidity grab under this one here, and the market started to push to the upside. What's next? Exactly the same. Corrective structure up. We can get a big corrective structure and then normal push up before any next structure. In all the cases, any buy setup I get for pound dollar, I'll be going for it. Gold, for this one, market is moving in a sideways move. This structure starts to be a bit complex. I go to the 1 hour just to show you, even though we are actually making money trading every single wave here, right? As example, after this corrective structure, our members were in the buy to the upside. They tried to sell this one here and then end up to be a break-even trade, and the market is pushing to the downside. All right, Alan, what's next for this one? Exactly the same thing. The bias is toward the upside, okay? So for gold, I'm biased to the upside until or unless something happened fundamentally regarding any new trade deal, regarding any government, I would say, closure solution, regarding anything announced from the Fed part. This is toward the upside if nothing will happen. Technically, fundamentally, this is still toward the upside. But this will become a complex structure, which means after this corrective structure, another push-up will be coming. After that, one more drop before the next upwave. This will spend some time here, guys, before the next structure. Okay, it's a complex structure. Which you have to trade is up to you. If you ask me personally, I'll be going for every buy setup I'll be getting for this one. Okay, best, I would say, best way to go for it, either from here or from under this low to the upside. I'm biased to the upside for gold, guys. Again, even if this is going sideways, until market will break this one sharp and give me a corrective structure, I will not be going for any sell setup. For now, for me, this is still to the upside. Okay. Aussie dollar, for this one, market will be pushing to the upside. It's actually a bit complex now. In all the cases, if I want to look at it from the structure point of view, one more fall is very possible. So going to the 4 hours now, it can be like that as a running flat, just to show you something here, as a running flat, or it can give us one more drop before the next up wave. For Aussie dollar, it's exactly in the middle. I will leave it for now and I'll focus on other pairs. All right, Aussie dollar, no trade, it's exactly in the middle. New Zealand dollar, for this one, anytime market gives me a buy setup, I'll be going for it. Even if this will be a corrective structure, one more fall, no problem. Buy is the move. I'm looking for any buy setup market will give me for New Zealand dollar. If you want to trade this one, guys, and you have a trading plan for it, you go for it. If not, you join, you learn, and then you get the setups from inside WTW Pro membership. Okay? Dorian, for this one, market actually is pushing to the downside. This was a trade again shared by T during the last Sunday session. You must actually, if you are in, you must have made money, no question. What's next? If we get a corrective structure, this is a drop. Any sell setup we get for dollar yen, we'll be going for it. And this can be going a lot more to the downside. All the levels were shared by T, and they can be shared tomorrow as well. If you want to join and you can ask him about the levels, he will answer your questions live tomorrow during the Sunday session. All the links, guys, are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well, in case you want to join us. Dollar Swiss, for this one, market pushed to the upside. And if you remember, this was an expanding flat. This was the one here, up. We've got this up just to show you the expanding flat. Let me change it to blue. We have this drop, up, corrective structure, up, then a drop, and this was the complete expanding flat before this up wave. What's next for this, Alan? It can be a Swiss move, but I can see this one pushing the upside once more before any next structure. This can be Swiss weakness, very possible. But again, this is what I can see for dollar Swiss. Any buy setup you get, you can go for it. For this one, we took the buy here as a trend continuation pattern. With derivatives, you know that. And after this up wave, if you get another buy, you can go for this buy to break this up once more. What, Alan, if you are wrong? If I am wrong, I'll be losing small, or I'll be getting out for break even out traders. And if you are right, we maximize profits. We know how to maximize profits. All these guys were explained inside a Q&A session that was covered last month. Even a lot of Q&A session recordings are inside the dashboard. So if you are a serious trader who want to jump to the next level, who want to learn how to become an independent, successful trader, WTW Pro, guys, is your only solution. DORCAT, for this one, again, exactly from this level we mentioned, guys, you look for a reaction. And after this corrective structure, market went to the upside and then another drop. What's next? Corrective structure, another drop is what I'm expecting next for dollar CAD. Okay, to the downside, any sell setup. USOIL, for this one, market will push to the upside. This is a complete corrective structure to us. Anytime market will give me a buy setup, I'll go for it to the upside. Okay, that's regarding USOIL. Bitcoin, for this one, market went to the downside. So initially, after this drop, I was expecting market to go to the downside, and even I was expecting market to break this low. What happened after market gave us this up wave, this drop, and last week I was expecting this to be an expanding flat, one more push up before the drop. But, you know, due to the massive move, market just gave us a small corrective structure, another fall. What's happening here, Alan? Market will be going in a sideways move because you broke this low here, this one. After this one, this is a protected low. Market will go in a sideways move for one more fall before any next structure. So for Bitcoin, any corrective structure, guys, it will be again something good for the investors, because after that, market will go to the upside, regardless of how far this will go to the downside. If you're an investor, any new low is better for you because you can buy on sale, because Bitcoin is on sale, you know, for some investors. So for this one more fall before any next structure is what I can see. But at the same time, I am bullish. So as a trader, if you want to trade this one more fall is very possible. If you're an investor under this low, you can start to invest again to the upside. Okay. So for Bitcoin, any buy setup I get under this low, it will be a valid buy setup. Make sense? So even if this goes to the upside one more time, I think we'll be getting one more drop before the next upwave. This upwave, guys, will come. No question. Especially after, you know, and they are printing a lot of money and people will have liquidity. And if they have liquidity, like I said to you last week, they will invest, they will buy assets. And Bitcoin is a digital asset that people are investing in. Again, it's not like stocks, it's not like buying real estate, but again, it's a digital asset that you cannot ignore. Of course, if you are financial, you can ignore it. As example, Warren Buffett, he's ignoring Bitcoin, but just saying, if you're at that level, no problem. But if you like Bitcoin, if you like actually to trade it, it's a tradable asset like any other asset that you know. Of course, tomorrow you can wake up and you can see this at zero. It's a risk. So now we are jumping to the risk management part and how to invest, how to trade. This is a different topic. But just saying, as a tradable asset, this is what we can see the structure can be doing. Drop, corrective structure, maybe another one to the downside before the next up wave. This is the trade that we're looking for, to the upside. Any buy setup I get, I go for it. If you're an investor, every new low is an opportunity for you. All right, guys, if that's clear, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. US30 for this one, like I said to you before, every new high is the potential last high, but still this is an uptrend, which means, guys, this one, even if we get one push up, which is a high chance now, even if we get one push up to break the top, you can trade this one if you are a trend follower to the upside, and above this top, you should start to look for sell setups. This drop will be coming. After this upwave, guys, this drop will be coming. Alan, is this a high chance? For now, it is a high chance the upwave, but this now is the last top. This is the all-time high here. So if market will be falling like that and start to give us a corrective structure, this will be the top. All right. At the moment, this is the top, and any new top is the potential last top before the next drop. The drop again is a high chance move. Timing it is not an option. Timing it is not actually the goal. You have to really know how to ride the wave to maximize profits. We can teach you this inside. And as well, guys, if you're not following us on TradingView, I suggest you to do that. Again, the TradingView link is in the description under this video, and we post it for you here. By the way, thanks a lot for all of you are liking and commenting on our TradingView chart. And again, we reached 10K followers. Again, thanks to all of you are following us there. And we are posting a lot of charts here. As example, this one. Look at this. This was, by the way, a dollar move. We said to even if this is the case, market just went up, barely break this top, and you've got this drop. This for the XY. And there is here some educational posts as well, and this regarding why the market might be falling, the 10 reasons with the explanation under it. So again, if you want to get access to this one, it's a public one. The link in the description under this video, and most probably I'll put in the first comment as well. So you follow us on TradingView on all our social media platforms to get the updates from us and to get any new offer that we might put on Telegram, on YouTube, or anywhere. Okay, so follow us, subscribe to our guys newsletter, which is this one here on our website. Let me show you this one. So you go to the website btwaves.com, you scroll down and you subscribe to this one. Here we are sending promo codes, we are sending some offers, we are sending latest updates and some really psychological tips that it will help you as a trader. So subscribe to this newsletter, guys. It will benefit you in big time. Okay, so yeah, 30 for now. Again, regarding the bias, if we get one push up, you can trade this one to the upside. It is right to push the upside as a corrective structure. If that's the case, you can make money with this upwave, and you should make money with this drop as well. Okay, so for this one, like I said to you in the previous videos, Q4 2025, Q1 2026, this is where the market will drop eventually. Okay, again, do not follow blindly, do not actually take the words like that and you start to risk big. Just follow this step by step, follow us on a weekly basis to get the updates. But for now, if you are a buyer, if you are actually a trend follower and a trader, this is a potential corrective structure for one push up to break the top and S&P 500 to reach 7K before any next structure. Exactly as you are 30, any new top is the potential last top before any next drop. Thank you very much, guys, and I see all of you next Saturday.
Since you're here, you have already taken a step to bypass 90% of the traders who lose money out there. They say the real traders never reveal their secret, but that's not the case with WTW. We have helped thousands of traders across the world to master the art of trading. Everyone talks about profit. Only the few mentors show how to trade correctly. You'll either ride the waves or you will watch others do it. Or what if I tell you, all those people below, they were once like you, beginners, but now they are printing money just because they have followed our system and they have followed our strategy. You can be one of them. Either you can watch them win or you can join them. This is not a course, it's a wave and it's moving fast. and you got to catch up. This is your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to learn how the real traders trade. And again, the spots are limited. Once they're gone, they're gone. It's never going to come back. So reserve your spot and be with the winners. And if you have been losing money, it's not your fault. It's your method. So let's learn the right method together.